hear a lot about sinners. Don't think that I'll be a saint, but I might go down to the river. 'Cause the way that the sky opens up when we touch it, it's making me say that the way you hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me, feels so holy, 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 holy. Oh God, running to the echo like a track star. Can't wait another second, 'cause the way you hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me, feels so holy. I don't do well with the drama, and no, I can't stand it being fake. No, 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 no. I don't believe in nirvana, but the way that we love in the night gave me life, baby. I can't explain that the way you hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me.
Tapi itulah tercapai. Itu tidak umum di zaman Yesus. Tidak umum mencari itu loh. Ini sesuatu kasih yang aneh. Dan disinilah kita lihat. Eros dan menganggapnya itu bertemu. Eros mencari sesuatu yang lebih tinggi. Agama mencari sesuatu yang rendah, bahkan yang dianggap sampah untuk di-recycle. Disinilah dia kok. Bahkan seorang bapak gereja bernama Origenes mengatakan, di dalam Yesus terlihat.
The way you hold me, hold me, hold me, feel so holy.